Hi guys, it's Friday afternoon, the sun is shining, the sky is blue, and I'm standing in the shade. Hang on a minute. That's better. Anyway, enough of that. We're here now. It's taken a long time coming. I've had this in the freezer. I've taken it out right now. Get a load of that. Look at the size of that. Look, I flavoured it up with my special rub. I like a rub.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, this is what I got from Mark and Paul's Butchers. If any one of you are anywhere around Bognor Regis tomorrow morning by the Pink Pub, you know the little pub by the roundabouts on the way to Chichester? That's the one. Go and see Paul. He's there from early doors, from first light all the way through to about midday, and he's got everything in way of meat. He's got the lot. He sorted me this out. I'm going to cook it now on the Ninja. I've just done Grandad and Freya rump steak each. 4 minutes it took. Straight on, 4 minutes, flip it in two, and it's done. It's all a little bit cheating, really. So, I don't know if this is right. Maybe you guys can point me in the right direction. I'm going to do a temperature to cook it at is 105. I've got the wood fire technology on. I'm looking for a target temperature of 47, a medium rare. So what the guidance is, to cook it for the amount of time till it hits that target temperature, take it off, rest it, up the grill. Once it's had about 10 minutes of resting, throw it back on the grill at high heat and sear the sides. And then we'll look to see how it cooked, or how it's cooked and how it's going to taste. So, right now, I believe if I push start ignition, smoker, cook mode, just like that, we're on. That'll tell me when it's ready to put it on. We'll keep up to date. So it's going through the ignition process. It's lighting up the wood chips in there. We're going to smoke this. We're going to cook this. It's almost beer o'clock. Hang on a minute. It's definitely better when I stand here. Anyway, like I say, I'm going to put Mark and Paul's Butchers again in the title of this. Have a little click on there and have a look anyway. Also, on a Saturday now, you've got Regis Food down there as well, and they've got all sorts of fish. It's flash frozen, it's banging as well. They've got prawns, scallops. You go and have a look. It'll be set up next to Mark and Paul's Butchers. Go and see Sam. I think Jay as well. I think that's the two guys. Go and have a look, see what they got as well. In the meantime, let's see how this goes. Right, the alarm's just gone off. This should be ready now. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to rest it. I'm going to up the grill. So after 10 minutes, we're going to sear it. Look at that. Let me just pull this thermometer out. I'm gingerly doing it because I don't want to get burnt. Right, let me try and... Okay, that's on there. There we go. What I'm going to do is wrap that up in silver foil, like I said earlier. Leave that for 10 minutes. I'm going to up the grill. Then after 10 minutes, I'm going to put it on there, reverse sear it. So normally you sear stuff at the start, but I'm going to reverse sear it and do it at the end. Not my idea. It's something I've seen online. But like I say, Mark and Paul's Butchers, get down there on a Saturday morning in Bognor Regis and pick up some of his meat, because everything we got from him is banging. Absolutely fantastic. Anyway, sorry, I've got to go. Let me do this. I'm losing myself. Straight off the Ninja, back in the house. It's now been seared. It's rested and hopefully ready to go. All steaks look the business like this until you cut into them. This could go so wrong right now. I hope not. We'll see. Ready? Oh. Look at that. That is the business.
Look at it from that side.
Let me just try a piece. Right, look, hang on. Let me cut some up quickly. Have you noticed the way that knife goes through that? It just melts. This, look at that. I am so happy with that. I thought I could eat one of those myself, but looking at it now, we're going to share that amongst us and we're going to have that for our dinner with some chips. Paul, thank you so much. Absolutely banging. I've just tried a little piece right now. We are going to get stuck into this. Grandad and Granny are going to come and see you in the morning. Remember, get yourselves down to the Pink Pub, Bognor Regis, Mark and Paul's Butchers. See him on a Saturday morning. He's there from first light up until about midday, maybe 1 o'clock, depending on how quick he sells his stuff. It is popular, so be prepared. Just be prepared to wait. In the meantime, we're going to get on this. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the weather. We've got another heat wave on the cards. Wallop. Take care. Bye-bye.